Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys this real estate website 3.0 with a amazing feature where you can list your properties, you can become an agent, you can buy property, rent properties. In this video, I'll show you how to set up this website, how this website works, how you can make this website, how you can set up your client or for yourself. Alright, that was enough of the time. Let's go straight into the video. As you can see, this is the front end of the website. You can see the layout has been done for you. The colors have been selected for you already. Images and everything have been done for you already. You can see some properties here. And you can see some feature properties, budget properties, and all that. You can see everything. These are agents and blog posts, clients, and this is the footer section, right? This is the new page. Also, we have the battles page. We have the properties where we can see the all properties, feature properties, top properties, audience properties, and the agents, right? So here we have the pattern plan, here we have other pages, which is the FAQ blog session, and the contact us page, right? So, how this works is that let me just go click on this property. So if you click on this property here, so you can see more details about the property, you see the details of the description. So you see the video of the property, you can see what the property has, the location, and all that. Right? You can see more details about this property. Here you can send send details, send information to the owner of this property. See the person email, just put your name, the email, your phone number, subject and the description, you can send message here. And that's just it. That's very, very easy to actually do. So now this is how basically how the front end actually works. Whereas once logged into your account, you can see your dashboard. You can see your published properties, your expired properties, my reviews, client reviews, whitelist, and to orders, right? So yeah, you can see your active order. You can see this here. So that is just that. Yeah, you can see your properties. Right, this is your properties here. You can see this your property here. You can click to view, you can to edit to. Then click this particular property. You can do the name, the title, the slab, the type, the email, the square feet, and all those basically all those informations. Yeah, you can edit them. Right, so that's just that for this part. So let me just go back. Let me go back. All right, so you can choose to create add a new property. Just click on add. Put in the title, the property type, the address, the phone number, the information about the property, and after that, you can see and that's just it. Yeah, you can see your profile. You can see your WhatsApp, and what basically the information about yourself. You can just choose to edit those. Yeah, you can see your orders, right? Your orders, and that is just that. Yeah, you can see your whitelist, wish list, right? There's nothing here. Yeah, you can see your pricing plan. Writing plan and all that. You can choose to start with restart and that's just it. Here you can see your reviews and that's that. Here you can see your client reviews. So basically that is how the dashboard actually works. So let me log into the admin so I can show how the admin side works, right? So once you log into your admin, to take you straight to this particular dashboard here, you can see your total orders and website, active properties, pending properties, total properties, total users, and init and all that, yeah? Right? So yeah, you can click on rest, hidden properties, right? Right, now see hidden properties, can see all the hidden properties, can choose to make it active or inactive. So you can click on view or edit this too. Yeah, properties purpose, okay? Properties purpose, you can see for C or wherever you want to, and choose to off this or make it on, right? Yeah, properties type, right? Properties type. So that is housing, education, events and club, restaurant, business, and all that. You can choose to edit or delete or create a new property type. So near location, you can see this here. Our near location, you can just put on location that's close to railway, bus stop, airport, and all that to go with add a new one for editing one okay. Amenities, you can see the amenities like your food for key, elevator and building, just basically the function about the uh property, which is as currently creating property. Then you can choose to create new one if you want. So yeah, a lot of packages, right? Packages on I see all the packages on the website that is free good basic for coding. can choose to create a new one or delete or add a new one, right? So here you have agents, the agent, and you can see all the agents on this particular website. You can see their details, all of them. You can choose to view them or delete. So that is just that. Here are the others, right? Others. You can see all the others on this particular website from the admin side. And here I'll be painting all that through. Others are going to be pending, right? You can see here. You can choose to view. So you can approve them, right? Here you have the reviews. New reviews on what else there are the user that we put it but to measure that. So that's all for this real estate part. Here we have the pages. You can edit the battles page, contains the terms and conditions, privacies, and all that. So that is just that for this session. Here you have locations, the country, state, and the cities. Here you have the session control. The idea just for the front end. So if you click on a bad session now, actually edit the details in the battles page, like up on your home page. So let's put in the description, the header, the main session. So that's basically just to edit the information in the front end, which is very amazing feature. So all session have the slider, the testimonial, and partner service on the value. Here you have the SEO setup for testing the home page. Testing the home page, you can put in the meta description, the title here too. So basically you can set SEO for all the pages here. Again, after that, you have language, website language. Alright, you can set the language of the website to be this is a dashboard on the that is just basically it. That is basically it. So that's that for that. So let's go to the next session, which is on settings, right? Settings here. You can see general settings, okay? General settings, you can see but this is logo, the footer logo, the file icon, the sidebar header, the sidebar icon, just basic information. You can set the currency, the notification, and all that. So here you have the blog comment, cookies, payment account, scope recapture, live charts, Google Analytics, the pagination, can be team color for email configuration. This way you can actually set up email on this website so users can receive emails. You can put in your name, the email, the sensitivities and all that here. Alright. Then admin, you can see all the admin on this website, right? You can make it passive or inactive or creating your admin. Here you have time manager. Okay, let's click on that. Let's see. Right, time manager is just to add image. Okay, so that is that. So here we have money stuff, and you can see all the stuff on this website. So basically, that is how the admin dashboard actually works. It's not complicated here.